So, ma'am, to start with, for like Sumit just mentioned all the designations of yours. For layman or for common people, it's not really there's no clarity in terms of roles. Like I, as a kid, started watching cricket, and for me, only designation that I knew was commentary, cricket commentators. But now that I've grown up and now that I have a channel, I've started to understand the other roles as well. But for other people, it's not really clear. So, could you just in brief explain what is the difference between a presenter, broadcaster, and of course, a producer?
Well, like they say, there's a saying that goes that it takes a village to raise a child, and it's pretty much probably applicable to a sport like cricket. It takes a lot of people to bring out and present the sport the way you are consuming it in your homes, or watching it on television sets or on digital platforms. So there are a lot of people who are involved in making that possible and making that a beautifully packaged and very easily consumed product. So it's not just a presenter or a commentator or a producer. I think there are so many others also. Of course, the primary role, the faces that you see are the people through whom you're viewing that particular sport. So it's the commentators who are speaking to you. They are the medium that connects what's happening on the match action, so to say. The anchor and kind of stitches the whole discussions through. And of course, you have a panel and the entire production control room that kind of micromanages all of that's happening on the TV screens that you're viewing. So whether it's a director or a commentary producer or a panel producer, audio, visual, technicians, camera persons, I think it's more than 100 people who work on making this possible. So if I have to briefly tell you what the different roles or the key roles are, a director of the match is probably one of the most important roles. We tend to kind of oversee that or overlook that many a time when we're viewing it, because we're really not aware of what's happening. So the director is the one who kind of calls the shots. He decides when to come and rig the entire stadium with your technical output before it all starts. There's a fact check, of course, the previous day before the match happens. And all the output that you're seeing on during a match, which angles are being cut, what shot you're seeing, what replays you're seeing, is all a director's call. The commentators also are being monitored by a commentator producer. So a lot of the discussions that are happening, of course, happens on free will, and they guide a lot of it is what they think themselves. But a lot of the times when to talk, when to not talk, when to say the score, or when to throw to what, or introduce what package or what highlights, is kind of monitored by a commentary producer. So a lot of it is, in a sense, directed. There are a team who kind of micromanage and call the shots when it comes to what the commentators are saying when. But of course, the analysis comes from the commentators themselves. But there's a producer, in fact, who decides, let's say you see those shows that Rohan was talking about, a pre-show or a post-show. A lot of times a producer, in previous occasions, it was me, who would decide what has to be discussed, what package to talk about, or what player to talk about, which moment in the match was probably the most interesting. And those kind of things is what the producer kind of takes a call on and makes a rundown, which is then kind of discussed with the anchor and the commentators and the experts on the show. And he or she on the panel is who decides how the show flows from there. So there are a lot of people in charge of all of that happens. And of course, I don't want to kind of get into too many details, but you kind of understand that it's not just people, like you're saying, it's a lot of people who kind
the entire team.
Yeah. Like it's not a one person, it's all interconnected, and this group of people then make it a complete package for the viewers.
That's right.